Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at a simple experiment to do with the absorption of light and the effect that colour has on the absorption of light. Now this is a potentially dangerous experiment just from the point of view of the fact that you need to use quite a powerful laser pointer, and so it's something that can be done as a demonstration in front of the class, but you shouldn't allow the class to do themselves. Now, laser pointers are quite cheap to pick up, but you need a specific type for this. So this is a class 3 laser pointer. You can buy them quite readily. This is a class 3B laser pointer. Now, as far as I can tell, the only difference between them is the fact that it has this little focusing element to it. So at the moment, it also has a key on the back, so it is a bit more dangerous. Turn it on. So at the moment, that's just a fairly normal laser beam there. However, by zooming out the magnifying glass there, at distance it actually distorts the beam a wee bit, but closer up it intensifies it quite substantially, to the extent that you can actually feel the heat on your skin a little bit. Now, the background knowledge behind this is that certain colours, when we look at a colour, an object that's a particular colour, the way that happens is, so for instance this is the green balloon, the way this happens is that light is coming in, it's hitting the balloon, and every colour except green is being absorbed. So this balloon is sucking in all the green light, and then all the other colours of light, and then it's reflecting the green light, and so we see the balloon as being green. In the case of a black balloon, it's sucking in all the colours of light and not reflecting much at all. So, if I'm shining, let me blow this up first. I'm shining a green light at a green balloon. That means that most of the light should be reflected from this balloon here. And so the balloon isn't absorbing much of the light, and so it's also not absorbing much of the heat from it. And right enough, it's not bursting. There's no issue here. Okay? With a black balloon, in principle, this should absorb much more of the light. And so, if I shine the laser pen at this, because it's absorbing more of the light, and thus more of the heat, it should, straight away there, it should burst. So, I have not been able to get this to ever work with just a conventional laser pointer, but a class 3B laser pointer seems to do the trick. I was able to pick mine up fairly cheaply. It does need a locking mechanism on the back for it to be safe, and it is something that only the teacher should be doing, not the kids. But there's an instructive teaching point to that, the fact that it's actually proving that black absorbs more colours and thus more heat, whereas other colours are just other colours are just reflected colours. Cheers.